Hey guys, so I have been playing this game called Immortal Towers for years now, but lately I keep forgetting to log in and finish the daily task. So I made a simple Discord reminder bot in Python. Actually, it's not a real bot with commands or AI. It just uses a webhook to send a message at the time I choose. Super easy, let me show you. So first, head over to your Discord server, go to our text channel, click on Edit Channel, Integrations, and click on Create Webhook. Once you do that, click on the newly created webhook and copy the webhook URL. We'll use it in our code. Now let's write the code. First, import requests. We will use it to send the message. Then from ap scheduler dot schedulers dot blocking import blocking scheduler. Blocking scheduler will block the main thread and keeps running until we manually stop it. From date time import date time import bits bytz to set the correct time zone. Now let's create a variable webhook URL and paste the URL here. Then create a time zone object, time zone equal to bits dot time zone. Asia Kolkata. Now let's create a function that sends a reminder to Discord. Def send Discord alarm. Get the current date time. strf time. To format the date time into day, month, year, hour, minute, and second. Now let's set the message we want to send. Message equal to daily alarm join banquet now. Now let's define the JSON payload. So data equal to content message. Now we will send a post request to our webhook URL. So request.post webhook URL JSON equal to data. And let's store the response. So response equal to this. And let's print the response text and time. Print f response response dot text. Print message sent at now. Response code response dot status code. Now let's schedule this function to run at a specific time. First, we will create a blocking scheduler object. Time zone equal to times. Now let's schedule a job. Scheduler dot add job. Send Discord alarm. Cron. The second argument is cron, which means we want this to be a recurring job. It's just like Unix cron job, just instead of writing stars, we use keywords like hour 14, minute 0. That's when banquets start. Let's schedule another job to test it right now. Copy this. 17:55. And let's print a message like scheduler started and start the scheduler. Start. Let's save it. Discord game alarm. All right. All right, now let's run it. First, let me change the time. I was drinking my coffee. 13. Okay. Save it and run. Okay, started. We should see a message pop up in the Discord channel. Let's see. Boom, there it is. The alarm is working. No need for a full bot or token or anything. So that's it. A simple Discord reminder bot just using Python and webhooks. I'll probably make a full Discord bot next time so it can reply to messages or do more stuff. Let me know if you have any suggestions or want me to try something else. Thanks for watching.